Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. Here we will discuss 11th Physics, chapter number 2, illustration number 2.3. In the last video, we already discussed parallax method and illustration number 2.1. Now here we are going to explain illustration number 2.3. So now the question of this illustration is, the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the earth. This example is based on parallax method, and we already discussed parallax method. And in parallax method we consider two diametrically opposite point A and B on the surface of earth. Now the angle theta subtended at the moon by two directions of observation is 1 degree 54 minute. So angle theta is given 1 degree 54 minute. Given the diameter of earth to be, diameter of earth means basis, and it is denoted by small b. So it is given 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Compute the distance of moon from the earth. Okay, so here we have value of theta and we have value of diameter of earth. Using these two value we can find the distance of moon from earth. Here theta is equals to 1 degree 54 minute. Okay, angle between two direction of observation. Small b means diameter of earth is 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. We want capital D, distance of moon from earth. Now according to parallax method, distance from moon to earth, capital D is given by small b upon theta. Now small b is given, but here first of all we convert value of theta, degree and minute into radian, because our supplementary unit of angle, plane angle, is radian. Here we use conventional unit, degree, minute and second. These are conventional unit. We must have to convert this unit into radian. So first of all we explain calculation of angle. In short, we will convert this value into radian. Now here theta is equals to, we have 1 degree 54 minute. So first of all we convert degree into minute. So 1 degree is equals to 60 minute, and here we have 54 minute. So 60 minute plus 54 minute, so theta is equals to 114 minute. Okay, we have 1 degree and 54 minute. Okay, we will convert this value into minute. So 1 degree is equals to 60 minute and 54 minute as it is. Here we consider addition of this two value. So theta is equals to 114 minute. Now here we will convert this value into radian. Now convert this value into radian. This is our standard relation. In illustration number 2.1, already we discussed this concept. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Here we have 114 minute. That's why 114 into, we want to convert this value into radian. So here we multiply this number by 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4. So theta is equals to 114 into 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Okay, try to find this step. So our answer is theta is equals to 330.6 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so theta is equals to, we can also write 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. Now we have value of small b, that is 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. This is diameter of earth, and we have value of theta. Okay, now we will substitute this value in this equation. This is suppose our equation number 1. Okay, so substitute this two value in equation number 1. So use values of small b and theta in equation number 1. So this is our equation number 1. That's why D is equals to small b means 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 divided by theta. Here we will use value of theta in terms of radian. So our value of theta is 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now try to solve this example mathematical step. So our next step is 0.38 into 10 raised to minus 9. We have 10 raised to minus 10 raised to plus 9. Here we have 10 raised to 7 upon 10 raised to minus 2. So if we solve this 10 to the power, solve this step, so our answer is 10 raised to 9. Now 0.38 into 10 raised to 9. So here we shift the decimal point one digit right side. So what value of D is 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meter. So distance of moon from earth is 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Now here some example of calculation of angle are given. First example, try to solve this example yourself. Here we explain its mathematical step, how to convert degree minute into radian. So first homework, first example, 2 degree 24 minute. Convert this value into radian. 2 degree, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. That's why 2 degree is equals to 120 minute. Okay, find this value into radian. Second example, suppose we have 104 minute, 104 minute. So convert this value into radian. And third example is based on second. Suppose we have 1920 second. Okay, here 1 dash represent minute and double dash represent second. So 1920 second is equals to blank radian. So try to solve this example and convert this value degree, minute and second into radian. And already we use this example. Okay, so try to follow this mathematical step and find your answer.